Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all fine. Okay, very good. We will start our class. Okay, Babu. Today we will start the lesson 5. Name is the Southern Plateau. Babu, what is plateau? Plateau is a raised mass of land which is higher than its surroundings and flat on the top is known as a plateau. One more time we will discuss this plateau. What is plateau? You say after me. Okay, Kanna? What is plateau, Babu? Yes. Plateau is a raised mass of land which is higher than its surroundings and flat on the top is known as plateau. Simply says an area of fairly level high ground. Now you understood the meaning of plateau. It is once again, what is plateau, ma? Yes, the plateau is a landform which is a large and raised area of the land, almost like a table. Now you understood very well the term of plateau. Kutties, all of you look at the map of India that shows plateau region. One more time. All of you look at the map of India that shows plateau region. In India, the plateau region extends from the south of the northern plains. What kana? In India, the plateau region extends from the south of the northern plains. What is southern plateau? Yes. To the south of the northern plains lies the southern plateau. One more time we will discuss this southern plateau. To the south of the northern plains lies the southern plateau. Kutties, now we will discuss about peninsula. What is peninsula? Anyone guess it? Now I will discuss to you. Okay, don't worry, Babu. A peninsula is any landmass which is surrounded by water on three sides. How many sides surrounded the water, Babu? Three sides. A peninsula is any landmass which is surrounded by water on three sides and one more side, land on one side. So, it is surrounded by the landmass, water on three sides, land on one side. Now you understood clearly? One more time. A peninsula is any landmass which is surrounded by water on three sides and land on one side. Okay, after that, India is called as peninsula. You know, Babu? India is called as peninsula. Why? Because anyone guess at this point? No? Okay. Why? Because it is surrounded by the Indian Ocean on the south side. Surrounded by the Indian Ocean on the south side, Arabian Sea on the west side, and the Bay of Bengal on the east side. So, already I told you, Nama, the three sides surrounded the water. So, these three sides, one is south side is Indian Ocean, west side is Arabian Ocean, and east side is Bay of Bengal. So, India is called as peninsula. Why? Because means it is surrounded by the Indian Ocean on the south side, the Arabian Sea on the west side, and the Bay of Bengal on the east side. Please, now I ask one question to you, Kanna. Why India is called as Peninsula? You say after me. Okay. It is surrounded by the Indian Ocean on the south side, the Arabian Sea on the west side, and the Bay of Bengal on the east side. So that India is called as Peninsula. Okay. Kana, the peninsular part of India is mostly covered with plateaus. What ma? Mostly covered with plateaus. The peninsular part of India is mostly covered with plateaus. Next one is peninsula is triangular in shape. What shape of that peninsula? Peninsula is triangular in shape. It covers a large part of India. As you see on the map, it is a triangular in shape. That is, peninsula is triangular in shape. It covers a large part of India. Okay. Kutees, I ask you one question. What shape is the peninsula? Can you say any one? Yes, I can hear your voice, Babu. Triangular shape. Very good. Clap yourself. You are a very good children. Babu, this triangular shape is, you know which side has towards the north and which side has towards the south side? Can you guess it, Kanna? No. Okay. Now I will tell you. This triangular shape towards south and north side. That is broad towards the north side. Broad towards the north side and narrow towards the south side. Okay, Babu. Broad towards the north side and narrow towards the south side. So, this triangular in shape, broad towards the north and narrow towards the south. Okay. And here is rocky and uneven. You know what does mean that? The land is rocky and uneven, which is not leveled, which is not equaled. So it is looking at rocky and uneven. The southern plateaus are bordered by the following. Now we will see. The Aravalli Hills on the northwest, the Rajmahal Hills on the northeast, the Eastern Ghats on the east, the Western Ghats on the west. So, two hills and two Ghats. What are they, Babu? One is the Aravalli Hills on the northwest, the Rajmahal Hills on the northeast, the Eastern Ghats on the east, the Western Ghats on the west. Kutees, the southern plateaus also have many rivers flowing through them. That means 6 rivers flowing through the southern plateau. What are they? Can you say anyone? Okay. First one is Narmada, Tapim, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and the Kaveri. These rivers are not flow through the northern plains. So, it's flow through the southern plains only. So that, Babu, the southern plateaus also have many rivers flowing through them, namely the Narmada, Tapim, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and the Kaveri. Moreover, these rivers are not fed by glaciers, but these rivers are fed by rain only. What is meant by glaciers? Yes, glaciers is a huge mass of ice and snow that forms. simply says a lodge of ice moving very slowly through the valley or spreading outward from a center. For example, all of you seeing ice cube? Yes, I know very well. All of you playing with ice cube also. Okay. You take out one ice cube from freezer. After that, keep it in one plate. Okay. What will happen, Babu? You can see there. Okay. Ice moving very slowly and spreading outward from the center. You will see, no? Ice will moving very slowly after spreading outward from a center. Okay, like this. Snow that forms moving very slowly through the valley or spreading outward from a center. It's called as glaciers. Now you understood clearly the term glaciers. Okay. So, Babu, these rivers are not fed by glaciers. Rivers are fed by rain only. What are the rivers? Can you tell anyone? Yes, Narmada, Tapi, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and the Kaveri. These rivers are not fed by glaciers, but these rivers fed by rain only. Hence, they are not perennial. Perennial means it will not dry at any time. Rivers flowing, going on. Now you understood clearly, Babu? Babu, now we will discuss about the Narmada Valley. The Narmada Valley divides the southern plateau into two parts. How many parts, Babu? The Narmada Valley divides the southern plateau into two parts. What are they? First one is, to the north is the Central Highlands and to the south is the Deccan Plateau. One more time, Babu. To the north is the Central Highlands and to the south is the Deccan Plateau. So, the Narmada Valley divides the southern plateau into two parts. First one is the Central Highlands and the second one is the Deccan Plateau. The Central Highlands is located in north side. The Deccan Plateau is located in the south side. Okay. Now we are moving the Central Highlands. It's very interesting, Babu. We will discuss about the Central Highlands. The Central Highlands is divided into two parts. First one is Malwa Plateau and second one is the Chota Nagpur Plateau. The Malwa Plateau is located in the northwest. The Chota Nagpur Plateau is located in the northeast. So, the Central Highlands is divided into two parts. First one is Malwa Plateau. Malwa Plateau is located in the northwest. Okay. The Chota Nagpur Plateau is located in the northeast. The Malwa Plateau lies between the two hills. How many hills, Babu? Two hills. What are they? The Malwa Plateau lies between the Aravalli Hills and the Vindhya Hills. Cuties, the Aravalli Hills lie in the north region of the Malwa Plateau. Which region, Babu? North region. Okay. The Aravalli Hills lie in the north region of the Malwa Plateau. Like that, Babu, the Vindhya Hills lie in the south region of the Malwa Plateau. So, Vindhya Hills located in the south region of the Malwa Plateau. Smart cuties, now I ask to you one question. How many hills are there in Malwa Plateau and what are they, Babu? Yes, you are absolutely correct, Babu. The Malwa Plateau has the Aravalli Hills and the Vindhya Hills. The Aravalli Hills towards is north, the Vindhya Hills towards is south. Very good, Babu. This Malwa Plateaus includes parts of Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. What are they? Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. Malwa Plateau spread across parts of Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. Children, many rivers flow through this area. What does it mean, Babu? Many rivers flow through this Malwa Plateau, namely the Chambal, Betwa and the Son. The Chambal and Betwa join the river Yamuna in the northern plains. After that, the Son river joins the Ganga river. Cuties, I think all are having the classwork. Okay. You read after me, take the classwork. Cuties, now we will discuss one classwork question. Okay. It's very important question also, Babu. So, listen. Write the major rivers of the Peninsular Plateau. One more time. Write the major rivers of the Peninsular Plateau. The answer is the major rivers of the Peninsular Plateau region are Chambal, Betwa, Son, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Narmada and Tappi. Okay. One more time, Babu. The major rivers of the Peninsular Plateau region are Chambal, Betwa, Son, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Narmada and Tappi. Malwa Plateau is rich in black soil. What does it mean, Babu? The Malwa Plateau is fine and rich in black soil. Babu, the black soil is best for growing cotton, sugarcane, groundnut and oil seeds. Okay, one more time, Babu. The black soil is best for growing cotton, sugarcane, groundnut and oil seeds. Dear cuties, so far we have seen about Malwa Plateau. Can we revise, Babu? The Central Highlands divides into two parts. One is Malwa Plateau and another one is Chota Nagpur Plateau. The Malwa Plateau has Aravalli Hills and Vindhya Hills. The Aravalli Hills towards its north and the Vindhya Hills towards its south. One more time, Babu. The Malwa Plateau has the Aravalli Hills towards its north and the Vindhya Hills towards its south. It includes parts of Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. Many rivers flow through this area. What are they? Chambal, Betwa and the Son. Chambal and Betwa river join Yamuna in northern plains. The Son rivers joins the Ganga river. Okay. The Malwa Plateau is fine and rich in black soil. The black soil is best for growing cotton, sugarcane, groundnut and oilseeds. That's it. This is the Malwa Plateau. Kutis, now you understood clearly and very well about the Malwa Plateau. Next, we are moving the Chota Nagpur Plateau. The Chota Nagpur Plateau lies in the northeastern part of the Central Highlands. What does it mean, Babu? Chota Nagpur Plateau towards in the northeastern part of the Central Highlands. This Chota Nagpur Plateau covers most parts of Jharkhand, but and some parts of covers Odisha, Bihar and Chhattisgarh. One more time, Babu. The Chota Nagpur Plateau covers most parts of Jharkhand and Chota Nagpur Plateau some parts of Odisha, Bihar and Chhattisgarh. Kutis, the Chota Nagpur Plateau is rich in minerals such as coal, iron, aluminium and manganese. Finally, mica. One more time, Babu. This region is rich in minerals such as coal, iron, aluminium, manganese and mica. So that, Babu, the Chota Nagpur Plateau is known as the storehouse of minerals in India. Why we called as the storehouse of minerals in India? Why? Because Chota Nagpur Plateau region is rich in minerals like coal, iron, aluminium, manganese and mica. So, the Chota Nagpur Plateau is known as, very good, your answer is correct, the store of minerals in India. Now you understood clearly why we called as Chota Nagpur is known as the store of minerals. Very good, Babu. One more important point, Babu. Zaria, Bokaro and Grit are important centers for mining coal. What are the important centers for mining coal? Yes, Zaria, Bokaro and Grit are important centers for mining coals. In India has two largest steel plants are located. Where it is located, Babu? Yeah, you are correct. India's steel plants are located at Bokaro and Bhilai. One more time. India has two largest steel plants are located at Bokaro and Bhilai. Children, can you say anyone? Where is diamond mines? Correct. Panna in Madhya Pradesh has diamond mines. Finally, the Chota Nagpur plateaus are covered with forests from different kinds of wood and other forest products. What it's mean, Babu? The Chota Nagpur plateau are covered with thick forest. It provides us with wood and other forest products. Children, so far we have seen the Chota Nagpur plateau. Once again we will discuss about the Chota Nagpur plateau. Okay. The Chota Nagpur plateau towards in the northeast. Okay. The Chota Nagpur plateau towards in the northeast. And also the Chota Nagpur plateau lies in the northeastern parts of the Central Highlands. The Chota Nagpur plateau lies in the northeastern part of the Central Highlands. It covers most parts of Jharkhand and some parts of like that Odisha, Bihar and Chhattisgarh. What kana? It covers most parts of Jharkhand and some parts of Odisha, Bihar and Chhattisgarh. The region is rich in minerals such as coal, iron, aluminium, manganese and mica. What are the minerals, Babu? You also say with me? Yes, coal, iron, aluminium, manganese and mica. Okay. Next, the Chota Nagpur Plateau is known as the storehouse of minerals in India. Okay. Why India is called as the storehouse of minerals? Because this region is rich in minerals such as coal, iron, aluminium, manganese and mica. Okay. Now I ask you one question. That question you know very well. Which are the important centers for mining coal? Yes, Jharia, Bokaro and Grit. What ma? Once again. Zaria, Bokaro and Grit are important centers for mining coal. One more important question, Babu. Which country or occupy steel plants and where it is located? Two of India's largest steel plants are located at Bokaro and Bhilai. One more time, Babu. Two of India's largest steel plants are located at Bokaro. Okay. Where it was located? Bokaro and Bhilai. Which country? India. India's largest steel plants are located at Bokaro and Bhilai. Okay. And also, where it has diamond mines. Can you say anyone? Yes. Panna in Madhya Pradesh has diamonds mines. Where it has diamonds mines, Babu? Yes. Panna in Madhya Pradesh has diamonds mines. Finally, cuties, the Chota Nagpur plateaus are covered with forest from which we get different kinds of wood and other forest products. One more time, Babu. Chota Nagpur plateaus are covered with thick forest and it provides us with wood and other forest products. My dear cuties, once again we will discuss about the Central Highlands. Okay. The Central Highlands is divided into two parts. First one is Malwa Plateau and the second one is the Chota Nagpur Plateau. The Malwa Plateau in the northwest, that is, the Malwa Plateau is located in the northwest and the Chota Nagpur Plateau is located in the southeast. Okay, Babu, very good. The Malwa Plateau has two hills. What are they? First one is Aravalli Hills and second one is Vindhya Hills. The Aravalli Hills towards its north and the Vindhya Hills towards its south. Okay, very good. It's spread across parts of Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. The Malwa Plateau is fine and rich in black soil. Black soil is best for growing cotton, sugarcane, groundnut and oil seeds. we will discuss about the Chota Nagpur Plateau. The Chota Nagpur Plateau towards its northeastern of the Central Highlands. It covers Jharkhand, Odisha, Bihar and Chhattisgarh. Okay. This region is rich in minerals such as coal, iron, aluminium, manganese and mica. The Chota Nagpur Plateau is known as the storehouse of minerals in India. Okay. The Chota Nagpur Plateau is known as the storehouse of minerals in India. In India having two largest steel plants. Where it is located? Bokaro and Bhilai. One more time, Babu. In India having two largest steel plants and it's located at Bokaro and Bhilai. Finally, the Chota Nagpur plateaus are covered with the forest from which we get different kinds of wood and other forest products. That is, the Chota Nagpur plateau are covered with thick forest and it provides us with wood and other forest products. My dear favorite cuties, all of you, take your textbook page number 40 and 41. Read the lesson line by line, finger on the line. Okay, Babu? It's very useful and it's give confidence to you also. Okay, thank you, Babu.